Good evening, Ayla. Um, I am Joan Sebastián Casca Gonzalez. I'm 20 years old. I live with my family, my mother, and my siblings. I'm working in good company, studying and Sena. I'm fun, outgoing, and a smart person. And enjoy to spend time with my family and my friends. My motivation is my family. I want to see to my family pretty happy and heartily I want to enjoy. With the money, tax, they are very important for me. I have several hobbies. I love a list to music. I enjoy to ride motorcycle. I like to spend time with time family. For example, when go out to the river or head in some restaurant. If I had the hope, I'll be pretty competitive. I'll give all my commitment. I have to go and the company. My main goal is the after talent for working on teams on the wheel, archers or goals. My goal is praying for working in Spain. There, I want to do my career. Um, my major success has been to fishing at gold tagged at half purpose. I did leave my list hop because I had to move it or zero. Our band is 5 years too early in after country in finishing in my career, visiting another um, cultures and knowing new people. We need for family. Good evening, Ayla. Tell us about yourself. What motivates you? What are your hobbies? What are your future plans if you had this hobby? What are your future goals or what are your current goals? Okay, what do you see as a major success? Wait, dice, we did you leave your last hop? Okay, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Okay, good evening, bye.